Bitcoin's recent chaos has everyone asking the same thing: is the bull market actually over?
On October 6th, Bitcoin absolutely rocketed to a stunning new all-time high. The market was electric.
But just weeks later, the price collapsed in a brutal, gut-wrenching correction.
This crash plunged the market right into extreme fear, causing, widespread panic.
So what is really going on here? The data is telling two completely different, conflicting stories.
This is what analysts are calling the Great Contradiction. Let's unpack these conflicting signals.
On one hand, the tape looks terrifyingly bearish, but on the other, the on-chain valuation is bullish.
First up, the bear case. The selling has been absolutely historic, and it looks like an institutional exodus.
Long-term holders, the market's strongest hands, dumped $79 billion worth of Bitcoin in a month.
This was clearly an institutional-led exodus, amplified by a pretty hostile macro environment.
But hold on, here's the twist. The on-chain data tells a completely different, much more bullish story.
We can use a key metric called the MVRV score. Think of it as a way to measure market euphoria.
At the recent peak, the MVRV score was only 2.0. That's nowhere near the euphoria zone of 7.0.
And other key indicators agree. The market was in a state of anxiety, not euphoria. The top just didn't happen.
So, the crucial point is this. We have a liquidity crash without a valuation peak. The old rulebook is out.
This requires a totally new theory, a new scenario that can explain both sides of the contradiction.
This is the institutional mid-cycle reset. The idea? The cycle isn't over. It's just been reset. See, the ETFs are a double-edged sword. They accelerated the rally up, and then the crash down.
So when we rank all the potential scenarios by probability, this new thesis becomes the clear frontrunner.
It's really the only scenario that reconciles that bearish price action with the bullish on-chain data.
So what's the bottom line here? Well, the crash was likely a painful but healthy reset, not the end.
The market's probably going to enter a consolidation phase now, setting the stage for the next major rally.
So going forward, the key isn't just price. The real signal, that'll be when valuation metrics finally hit euphoria.